Look at this cartoons or sticky animation videos. As you guys can see, they are getting millions of views. I have came up with an idea to make this animation videos using an AI tool, which is completely free. You guys can also promote affiliate products using this trick and earn dollars. So in this video, I will show you step-by-step process to create one of the following. So watch the full video without skipping any of the step. Welcome to AI Upskill. Firstly, let's look on what we are creating today.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
First, we will create funny jokes for our videos, which is the script. To create that, we are going to use ChatGPT. I have created a prompt to generate the script, which will be in the description of this video. I'm instructing ChatGPT to provide me 10 jokes which are relatable for a wider audience. You can change this number and the script as per your needs. This script is used for adding a voiceover to your animation video. Later in the video, I will show you how to use an AI tool to generate a voiceover. As you can see, ChatGPT generates 10 jokes you can use for your videos, for instance, this one about Scarecrow outstanding in his field. Now, we want a voiceover which is realistic and sound funny at the same time to get attention of our viewers. To get one, I would recommend you to watch my previous video in which I have shared a detailed explanation of 3 best tools for text-to-speech. I would recommend one of the tool from that video, which is TTS Maker. To generate the audio, copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into this box. After that, select your voice from the right panel. I'm going with Ethan. Click on More setting and change the audio quality to high and volume to 120%. Lastly, add verification code and click Convert to Speech. It usually takes few seconds to generate. Click on Download Voice File to download it. And done, now we have our free voiceover generated by AI. All the links of the tools mentioned in this video will be in the description. Now we need to animate our video with the voiceover we just generated. So to do this, search Adobe Express in your browser, click on the first link and sign in into your account. Once you are on this dashboard, click on the plus icon and then go to Quick Actions. Next, choose the Animate from Audio option. A new tab will open where you can select your characters from a range of options. Click on Category and choose Costumed Character, and then select Sticky, just the size of the character. Now go to the Background option and choose a background you need. Then go to the Size option and select 9:16 ratio. You can make changes as per your needs. Now click on Browse and select the voiceover that we generated previously. It will take few minutes to generate the final video. Here's the preview of it.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
To download it, simply click on the download button. Before you skip the video, I have a small tip for you all, but before that, I just noticed 99% of you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so please give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. The tip is that you can create this small clips in bulk and eventually join them together with the help of any editing tool to get more attention of your viewers. See how we created a viral sticky animation video in a short period of time. It's a new and great niche to start, and you guys can earn dollars as it contains a great potential to go viral. If you love this video, please give it a like and subscribe to AI Upskill channel for more such AI related content in the upcoming days. See ya in the next video.